Hello world, here Jacob Stravinsky, investment fund trader and financial analyst, and these are the urgent news about the Bitcoin. So I got lots of questions from my community members, so if you have any, give me a message. The links for the Facebook and Instagram are below this video. So what we have with the Bitcoin, so we are all the happy witnesses of the new total historical high for the Bitcoin price. And now we are suspecting that some bigger rollover, so the downcrease after the huge run up, the downcrease will be in couple of hours or maximum 1 day. So this is what we are expecting. So the Bitcoin is back under $59,000, and this is one more place to go. So the new stable level will be in some $500 lower, so at around $58,500 per Bitcoin. And then in the short terms, I would really expect the rollover even lower for some 10 or 20, even 20%, as it was several weeks ago, and it was historically, it was lots of times for the Bitcoin. For the long term, so for 2 and plus months, I would really still be very positive. So once again, the historical highs doesn't really go alone, and will not be forgotten with the market. So the market is pushing the Bitcoin up, and we will see 100,000s just in the nearest future. And once again, for the short terms, we are waiting for the rollover, because the Bitcoin is below $60,000, and for the long term 2+ months, we do really expect some new higher levels, and the highest levels as well. So once again, if you don't really understand how to trade the Bitcoin, so I'm trading with several brokers. One of them is an IQSend, so I'm the top trader for the copy trading, but I don't really like this kind of mechanism. So if you have questions about the copy trading tool on several brokers, just give me a message. I will give you all the answers about this tool, or you can even watch my video about the copy trading with different brokers on my YouTube channel, or give me a message. The Facebook links and Instagram links are below this video. So we can see on with the broker that the Bitcoin is right now on the level of $58,900. So it's going lower and lower right now when you're watching this video. So please, if you don't really understand how to trade Bitcoin, give me a message. If you have any questions, give me a message. The links for the Facebook and Instagram are below. And it was me, Jacob Stravinsky, with you. Thank you so much for your attention. Join us, it's free. Thank you.